The Daily Code Snippet. Back to basics with HTML, elements, and attributes. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. HTML defines the structure of a web page. HTML elements tell the browser how to display information by identifying the content. They generally consist of two paired tags, an opening tag and a closing tag. Closing tags are differentiated from opening tags by the presence of a /. Tags act as containers that describe the information that lies within. The following are common elements. HTML identifies HTML code. Title identifies the title of a web page. Head is a section that contains information that makes your web page function. Body designates the main content. H1 denotes the main and most important heading. P indicates paragraph text. There are 6 successive levels of the heading element from H1 to H6. A main H1 heading, an H2 subhead, an H3 subhead, an H4 subhead, an H5 subhead, and an H6 subhead. As the number increases, the hierarchy decreases, which means each heading is smaller than the last in size. Attributes provide additional information about the contents of an element. Attributes consist of a name and a value, separated by an equal sign. Attributes are added to the opening tag. In general, the name should be written in lowercase and the value should be in quotes. In this example, the language attribute is applied to the paragraph element to let the browser know that the language is in Spanish. The name lang refers to language and the value of ES refers to Spanish for Español and is in quotes. An attribute name describes the kind of information being applied to an element. For example, the name lang is for language and generally sets the language for all the text on the web page. But if part of the text is in a different language, you can add a language attribute with a different value to just the element that surrounds that particular content. The values are predefined and follow a stipulated format. For example, in each of the following, the name and the value are located in the opening tag with an equal sign separating them. The value is in quotes. EN-US for US English, FR for French, ES for Spanish or Espanol, DE for Deutsch or German, ZH for Chinese, and AR for Arabic. Presented by Designers Learn Code.